how to use sprinklers in Grow a Garden Roblox. So there are multiple sprinklers you can get from different types of events, but the basic sprinklers that you can pretty much get as of now are available as a craft or in the gear shop. So depending on what sprinkler you add, it's gonna have more powerful effects or lesser effects. So the four main sprinklers we have is the basic, advanced, godly, and master, and they do stack up as a different sprinkler. If you put two basic sprinklers, something like this over here, those won't add up to each other. But different sprinklers like these will add up. So these four sprinklers will stack up if you're wondering, and if you go ahead and have it all in the radius of one plant, then that singular plant will get the bonus buffs of all those sprinklers. Other than that, the other sprinklers that you can get will work just as the same but with its own specific buffs given. So the Sweet Soaker sprinkler, it will affect pretty much everything in its radius, but only the ones available on its own feature. So I think it helps melons grow. So as long as if it's inside the radius, then it should work perfectly fine. Other than that, if you do go offline while your sprinklers are active, it will stay at that specific time when you come back. So if your master sprinkler is at 8 minutes and 40 seconds, coming back after leaving will keep it at the same time. So you could go offline for as long as you want and it will still be active. But anyways, those are the basics for Grow Garden sprinklers. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.